Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to display Persian date in your WordPress website. So search this plugin Parsi date, then install, then activate this plugin. Parsi date activated, you may need to configure it to work properly. So click on go to configuration page. Here are some options like change local in admin. Change local in admin. This option change WordPress local to Persian in admin. Change local in the theme. This option change WordPress local to Persian in theme. Shamsi date. By enabling this, dates will convert to Shamsi Jalali dates. If you turn on this option, disable widget block. By enabling this, widget block editor disabled. And there are some more options like convert Persian digits like page title, post content, and there are some more options. So customize and modify as your need. Click on converts and here fix permalinks dates, then click on save changes. And if you are facing Arabic character problem, so make it on, then save changes. So this is the way guys you can use Parsi date in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.